Every now and then, we keep receiving news of celebrities in their 30s, 40s, or 50s collapsing suddenly. And this is something which is very surprising because सभी कहते हैं कि वो तो बिल्कुल फिट थे, पता नहीं क्या हुआ. So this unexplained collapse is actually on the rise. And जो न्यूज़ रिपोर्ट हो रही है वो तो सिर्फ सेलिब्रिटीज़ की हो रही है. What about people like us? There are so many like us who are also collapsing like this. So what is the cause of this unexplained collapse? Sleep deprivation, lack of sleep is considered to be one of the major contributing factor. क्या होता है जब हम sleep deprived होते हैं? We start behaving like zombies. I don't need to answer you about that. Just try it out. In fact, you must have tried many times. कि जब आप एक नाइट स्पेंड करते हो विदाउट स्लीपिंग तो नेक्स्ट डे आपका क्या हश्र होता है. यू एक्चुअली बिहेव लाइक अ ज़ॉम्बी. यू आर अलाइव but physically, mentally, emotionally, you are dead because your brain stops functioning. Why is that so? Because in our brain, we have got a protein called pleiotrophin, which is very important for neurological functioning. So when we are sleep deprived, pleiotrophin decreases. At the same time, there's another protein called amygdala beta, which is toxic for our brain. It starts increasing. So because of the decrease in pleiotrophin and increase of this toxic protein, we have lot of issues with our cognitive and learning ability, and it also affects our memory. हमारी मेमोरी जो होती है वो बिल्कुल हेवार हो जाती है. When we don't sleep well, next day आपकी यादाश्त जो है, सुभान अल्लाह, भगवानी मालिक है उसका, राइट. सो और जब ये बहुत ज़्यादा रेगुलरली होने लग जाता है, then it might lead to Alzheimer और dementia, such serious diseases. So हमारी थिंकिंग कैपेसिटीज़, हमारी डिसीजन मेकिंग कैपेसिटीज़, हमारी लर्निंग स्किल्स, कॉग्निटिव स्किल्स, हमारी मेमोरी, एवरीथिंग गोज़ फॉर अ टॉस when we don't sleep well. And it's not just about the brain, our heart also gets majorly affected. In 2022, American Association of Heart, उन्होंने find out किया है कि sleep deprivation is one of the major factor for heart disease. They found that sleep really impacts our coronary health, it really creates heart blockages, it affects our blood flow, it affects our blood pressure. So not only the brain, the heart also gets severely affected. And now, if you want to look beautiful, if you want to stay fit, then again sleep is very important. Because when we are not sleeping well, our insulin and glucose level just goes haywire. And it increases our appetite. और फिर हम क्या करते हैं? In order to get instant glucose in our system, we start doing binge eating. We start eating fried and sugary food. मेरे साथ तो बहुत होता है. And then I suddenly realized that, oh, it's because of my sleep, I need to control it. Because this binge eating is good in the short term. It gives us instant dose of glucose and makes us feel really, really happy. हमारी मूड को अपलिफ्ट कर देता है, हमारे सिस्टम को बेटर बना देता है. बट इन द लॉन्ग रन इट लीड्स टू ओबेसिटी. एंड देन अगर हमारी स्लीप गड़बड़ है तो हमारी स्किन भी मेजरली अफेक्टेड हो जाती है. बिकॉज स्लीप एंड स्किन गोज हैंड इन हैंड. I don't need to tell you, when you don't sleep well, then you start having bulging eyes, you start having bad skin, you start having outbreaks in your skin, you start having hair fall, frizzy hair. So all sorts of skin and hair problem starts happening जब आपकी sleep अच्छी नहीं होती. So sleep really, really affects our mental and physical abilities, their health. But along with that, it affects our emotional health as well. आप खुद के बारे में ही सोचो ना, जब आपकी स्लीप बराबर नहीं होती तो आपका बिहेवियर कैसा होता है. आई डोंट नीड टू टेल मच. यू आर वेरी इरिटेटेड, यू आर वेरी एंग्शियस, एंड एक छोटे से उस पर आप बस तूफान क्रिएट कर सकते हो. यू गेट इन टू कॉन्फ्लिक्ट विथ ऑल योर नियर एंड डियर वंस. इट स्टार्ट स्पॉइलिंग ऑल योर रिलेशनशिप्स बिकॉज योर mood is not in your hand that moment. Sleep really affects your mood swings. वो आपके मूड को, आपके ओवरऑल इमोशनल स्टेबिलिटी को पूरा डिस्टर्ब कर देता है. सो फिजिकली, मेंटली, इमोशनली, फ्रॉम ऑल एंगल्स, स्लीप इज समथिंग विच इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड हैज़ अ मेजर इम्पैक्ट. तो जब स्लीप इतनी इंपॉर्टेंट है तो हम क्यों उसके साथ खिलवाड़ कर रहे हैं? भाई, स्लीप इज समथिंग विच इज़ वेरी पर्सनल टू अस. मेरी स्लीप मेरी है, किसी का कोई इस पर राइट या कंट्रोल नहीं है. तो वही सबसे पहले कॉम्प्रोमाइज हो जाती है, बी इट फॉर वर्क or be it for entertainment. If you want to work for long hours, finish some deadlines, achieve some pending assignments, or if you want to do some binge watching, then sleep is something जो सबसे पहले it tops the list in the list of compromising, कि भाई कहाँ से हम टाइम निकाल सकते हैं for binge watching or for working. It's our sleep only. So sleep actually gets majorly affected. But then, as we just understood that sleep is very important for physical, mental and emotional health, then how to take care of it? So there are three factors we really need to focus upon. One is quality of sleep, the timing of sleep and the quantity of sleep. So an average human being should sleep a minimum of 7 hours. But the number of hours of sleep actually depends on your lifestyle. Like a person who is more into meditation, who is more into that inward journey, requires a lesser amount of sleep than those who are not into the meditative lifestyle. So number of hours depend from individual to individual. For an average individual it is around 7. For children it is much more, say around 10 to 11 hours, because in children lot of growth happens when they are while they are sleeping. So they need to sleep more to have a better physical, mental and emotional health. So but there is one more thing, that along with quantity of sleep, what time you are sleeping, that is also important. Because we might have slept anywhere between 7 to 10 hours, but still we can get up with a very heavy head the next day. Why? Because the sleep timing is not proper. Our internal clock works along with the circadian rhythm, which is from 9 to 3, 9 p.m. to 3 a.m. Between 9 to 3, all the healing processes in the body is activated. Toxins are released, growth is happening, all the repairs are happening, the healing of the internal organs and all the systems are happening. So it is very important that we should give our body this 9 to 3 sleep time so that all these processes can happen. But जब हम काफ़ी लेट सोते हैं, 2 बजे, 3 बजे, 4 बजे सोते हैं, तो क्या होता है, हमारे ये हीलिंग प्रोसेसेस जो है, जो रिपेयर के प्रोसेसेस है, ये फंक्शन नहीं कर पाते. तो एट द फिजिकल लेवल, एट द सुपरफिशियल लेवल, हमें लगता है कि हम सोए हैं, हमने अपने बॉडी को रेस्ट दिया है, बट वो रेस्ट खाली सुपरफिशियली है, खाली हमारी फिजिकल बॉडी को मिल रही है. बट हमारी जो इंटरनल बॉडीज़ है, जो हमारे ऑर्गन्स हैं, हमारे जो डिफरेंट सिस्टम्स हैं, सेल्स हैं, उनको वो रेस्ट नहीं मिल रहा है, बिकॉज उनको वो सेल्फ हीलिंग मैकेनिज्म को एक्सपीरियंस ही नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. सो इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट वी शुड स्लीप एज क्लोज एज 9 o'clock, maybe 10 or 11, so that we can maximize the healing time in our body. Now, even if we take care of the quantity of sleep as well as timing of sleep, but if the quality of sleep is not good, then also it's worthless. We might be lying in the bed, lie in the bed at 9 o'clock in the night, but we're not getting any sleep. And we keep lying on the bed till say 6 in the morning. So effectively we have taken a lot of time out for our sleep and match that sleep cycle as well. But still, if the quality of sleep is not good, we have not slept deeply, then it is of no use. So it is very important that our quality of sleep should be good. But quality of sleep is something that is getting majorly affected. The number of people popping sleeping pills are on the rise. They are the highest ever. What is the reason? Credit goes to all our electronic gadgets. They're all sleep stealers. Why? Because the rays that they emit, that majorly affect the melatonin secretion, which is the key reason for our sleep. Because of this melatonin going haywire, our sleep gets majorly affected. So it is very important कि हम सोने के एटलीस्ट 2 घंटे पहले अपने आप को ये सारे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक गैजेट्स से दूर कर दें, so that we don't get affected by the rays coming out from them. So just stay away from all your electronics, minimum 2 hours of your sleep time. And when you start reaching your sleep time, then prepare yourself mentally, physically, emotionally for the sleep cycle. Prepare your bed, take a shower, get into fresh clothes, spend some happy, loving time with your family, read some nice book, do a short meditation, start thinking of all those things that you want to think while you're sleeping, so that it starts working in your subconscious mind, and then sleep like a baby.